The man charged in the hit-and-run death of firefighter Dennis Rodman is headed back to a forensic center for another competency exam. Grant Taylor's defense attorney says when speaking with him recently, it's clear to her he is not living in reality. Reporter Ann Perrette has an update.
Grant Taylor spent most of the hearing swiveling in his chair. He seemed disinterested and at times appeared to be talking to himself. The question now is whether or not he understands the court proceedings and if he can help his attorney in the trial. The Forensics Center said yes last November, but now Taylor's attorney says no.
You are Grant Taylor, sir?
Yes, sir.
And you know I'm the judge in the case? You understand that I am the judge in the case?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Taylor's been diagnosed with schizoaffective disorder, and his attorney says she wants his medications reviewed.
When I visited my client in jail, it was apparent that he was not living in reality at this point. And he has now informed me that his beliefs about the days before this event, that he was in another country.
But the prosecutor says there's no documentation that his medications have changed or that he's been hospitalized since the first competency exam.
Just because he's exhibiting some signs of mental illness doesn't mean he's not competent to stand trial.
Judge Canady said, ruling on the side of caution, he's sending Taylor back for one more exam. A slowdown for the Lansing Fire Department, but the union president says they understand the process.
Would we like closure? Absolutely. But we understand that we have to go through it, and it's going to be hard.
But he says they'll continue showing up to each court date to honor their fallen brother, Dennis Rodman. In Lansing, Ann Perrette, Fox 47 News.
The judge also ordered Taylor's defense attorney to provide the prosecution with any notes and memorandums from her expert's file. Prosecutor Dwayne says he'd like to see how her expert came to the conclusion that Taylor is legally insane. The trial is set to begin on August 15th.